I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take drama. This is of class 4. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordova publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this book. Now let's go to the grammar lesson 5 tenses. Use the words from the box to complete the sentence. Holding, performing, kicking, drinking, playing. Arman is playing the violin. Zaid and Arjun are performing. Naina is holding her favorite doll. Rohan is kicking the ball. Grandma is drinking tea. Verbs shows action. The form of the verb also tells us the time of the action. This is called the tense of the verb. Tense refers to time. An action can happen in the present, past and future. Now read the sentence in this table. Observe how the form of the verb changes to show different types of action. Present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, Ankit is here today. Past tense, Ankit was here yesterday. Future tense, Ankit will be here tomorrow. Present tense, Neil has a cat. Past tense, Neil had a cat. Future tense, Neil will have a cat. Present tense, Mona sings folk songs. Past tense will be Mona sang folk songs. And the future tense, Mona will sing folk songs. Present tense, I play cricket. Past tense, I played cricket. And future tense, I will play cricket. We use the simple present tense to talk about facts. That is, the earth revolves around the sun. To talk about the habits and general truths, like the cows eat grass. I write in my diary every night. Then we use present tense to talk about the present situation, like Sanya lives in Mumbai. I know the answer. Pia and Amit looks happy. Lima has fever and it is very hot today. Now rearrange the letters in the brackets to make verbs in the simple present tense. Fill in the blanks with the words. See, you have to rearrange the letters given in the brackets. The letters given in the brackets are written wrong. You have to rearrange the letters. Mir dash the ball. Throws. 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 Number 2. Fali dash the bat. Fali swings. 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 Number 3. The bat dash the ball. Strikes. 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 Number 4. The ball dash through the air. Flies. 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 Number 5. It dash over the fence. It goes. 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 Number 6. The crowd dash loudly. Cheers. Cheers. Number 7. Fali dash at the crowd. Waves. 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 We use the present continuous tense to talk about something that is happening at the time of speaking. See, present continuous tense is used to talk about something that is happening at the time of speaking. We use his, am, are plus ing form of the verb to make the present continuous tense. That means the rule of present continuous tenses is am, are plus ing form of the verb. Example, Arpita is writing an email. The children are studying. Compare this sentence in the simple present and present continuous tense. I eat ice cream. What is present continuous tense? I am eating an ice cream. Then present tense, Rima plays badminton. Present continuous tense, Rima is playing badminton. Now fill in the blanks with the correct options. Veena dash to eat mangoes. She dash one right now. Bracket likes is eating. So Veena likes to eat mangoes. She is eating one right now. Number 2. The shopkeeper dashed shoes. He dashed them at the discount today. The shopkeeper is selling shoes. He sells them at a discount today. Number 3. The baby is smiling. He dash when he sees his mother. See, the baby is smiling. He smiles when he sees his mother. Number 4. Suhani dash her storybook. She dash it regularly. Suhani is reading her storybook. She reads it regularly. Number 5. Gurleen is dancing on the stage. She dances gracefully. Number 6. Sarah is buying Christmas gifts. She buys them every year. Number 7. Amina is talking to her sister on the phone. She talks to her every week. Number 8. Sheena goes for her music class every day. She is going there right now. Now, we use the simple past tense to talk about things that have already happened. The action shown by a verb in this tense is already over. We add d or ed to a verb to form its past tense. Share, shared. Jump, jumped. I shared my lunch with my friends. The dog jumped over the fence. To form the simple past tense, you have to add d or ed to the verb. Sometimes we completely change the spelling of the verb. See, sometimes the spelling will be changed. For example, see will become, past tense will become saw. Buy, what will be the past tense? Bought. So, we saw a beautiful sunset. I bought fruits from the market. Then, complete the paragraph with the past tense of the verbs in the brackets. Hedy dash. You have to write the past tense of wake, woke. Hedy woke, W-O-K-E, woke up early the next morning. All at once. She dash. She remembered that she was in a big city. The thick curtains drawn across the window shut the blue sky away. There was a knock at the door. Breakfast is ready, announced the maid. Hedy dressed quickly and went to the dining room. There Clara greeted her with a friendly smile. After breakfast, Miss Rotmere told Hedy to go to the library with Clara and wait for the tutor. When the tutor arrived, the two girls started studying. Miss Rotmere soon heard a crash followed by shouts. She rushed to the library and saw a frightening sight. The table was overturned in the middle of the floor. A stream of ink trickled slowly across the room. Hedy was nowhere to be seen. Next is to change these sentences as shown. First one example is given. Before that, we look the rule. We use the simple future tense to talk about things that have not yet happened and will happen later or soon. So, simple future tense is used to talk about things that have not happened and will happen soon. We use the word will before the verbs to form the simple future tense. To form simple future tense, you have to add will before the verb. The example, Narendra will travel to Chennai next week. Ruhi will go to the library in the afternoon. Now let's do the exercise. Change these sentences as shown. First one example is given. My uncle flies an aeroplane. So how will you change this sentence into future tense? My uncle will fly an aeroplane. Number 2. Rajat goes to the market. So how will you make it into future tense? Rajat will go to the market. Number 3. Vani asked a lot of questions. So future tense, Rani will ask a lot of questions. Number 4, my mother cooks delicious food. So future tense, my mother will cook delicious food. Number 5, Adil writes a letter to grandma. So how will you write? Adil will write a letter to grandma. Number 6, everyone brings lunch to school. Everyone will bring lunch to school. Number 7, Rani stays with her aunt. So how will you make it into future tense? Rani will stay with her aunt. Number 8, pretty flowers bloom in this garden. So how will you make it into future tense? Pretty flowers will bloom in this garden. I hope you all understood the grammar part of this lesson. Please share this with your friends and relatives, and please like and please subscribe to my channel, and please follow me in my Instagram also. Okay children, I will meet you in the next class, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.